So I was like wandering around today thinking, how many different projects can I have a go at? And I noticed that the air was absolutely still, not a breath of wind anywhere. So I prepped up all the panels. Well, yeah, didn't really do a lot of prep on them, but because it was breathless, not an ounce of wind anywhere, I thought, right, let's get them primed up. So I covered the car up. I think you know where this video's going, don't you? I got all my paint together. And I started putting the primer on. The second I pulled on the trigger, an enormous great big windstorm came along. Tore all the masking tape off the cardboard. Flicked all the... I was going to say something beginning with B then, but I'll just say black plastic. Flicked the whole lot all over the wet paint. Water's coming out the gun. Oh, there's no tomorrow. And about the first 16 pairs of gloves out of the box have rotted before I even got to put them on. Oh, I really despair sometimes. So that's my day. I've had enough. And those of you that have been around for a while, you might remember me hiding this sill. Well, I first started off repairing holes in the floor, and I cut this half of the seat support out to repair a hole underneath it. I was quite chuffed with that actually, because I didn't do too bad a job. Later on in the proceedings, I took the filler off that sill. Found that in there. Basically, the sill's been hit in, so they just cut it open to whack a bit out, and then they've just put half a ton of pug over the top. Well, I could have pulled that out quite nicely if I'd known that was there when I had that piece out. But unfortunately, I've welded that piece back in. So now I'm just going to have to work around that. You might be getting the idea why I'm so pissed off with doing anything now. Later then.